Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for making money from home. Today's topic is all about 3D printing and how you can turn it into a lucrative business. So, if you're ready to learn how to make money with a 3D printing business, then keep watching. 3D printing is becoming increasingly popular and for good reason. With the ability to create custom-made objects from a digital file, the possibilities are endless. From toys and figurines to jewelry and home decor, 3D printing has the potential to bring your creative ideas to life. And the best part? You can sell your 3D printed items online and make a profit. With websites like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon Handmade, you can reach a global market and start earning money from the comfort of your own home. But how do you make sure your 3D printing business stands out from the competition? Here are some tips to help you get started. Tip 1. Find your niche. Do you specialize in printing toys or home decor? Are you an expert in printing jewelry or figurines? Whatever your specialty, make sure you showcase it on your website and social media channels. Tip 2. Offer customization. One of the biggest advantages of 3D printing is the ability to create customized items. Offering customization options for your customers can make your business stand out and lead to repeat business. Tip 3. Focus on quality. With so many 3D printing businesses out there, quality is key. Make sure you're using high-quality materials and your prints are of the highest standard. And finally, make sure you're promoting your business in the right places. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook are great for showcasing your work and reaching potential customers. And if you want to take your 3D printing business to the next level, then click the link in the description to learn about the best way to make money from home. This is a proven system that has helped countless entrepreneurs turn their passion for 3D printing into a successful business. So, there you have it. With a little bit of creativity, hard work, and determination, you can turn your 3D printing hobby into a profitable business. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to make money from home. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.